Alright, so if you're like me, a little bit sick of those protein bars with tons of sugar that all the major companies sells you, it says healthy choice, nut bars, there's sugar everywhere, processed sugar, added sugar, preservatives and stuff, and I'm sick of it. I won't say the name of the companies, but it's not really healthy. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to make a protein bar by yourself, a nut bar by yourself. So here in this bowl, I have walnuts, I have pecans, and I have almonds. I say about a cup or a little bit more of each. Just put it in the machine like this. There you go. And then we're gonna add, for this one I chose some like dry apricots or peaches. Just take a handful on top. That's gonna be your binding agent for it. And then watch this, it's super simple. Then I'll put like a 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 1, 2, and oh maybe that was a quarter spoon, sorry. So 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Then a teaspoon and a half of vanilla or 2 teaspoons, it doesn't matter. It's up to you. I'm just showing you the basics for this because it's very, very simple. And then what you're gonna do, just put your machine on. There you go. Now watch inside here. You're almost all blended. What you're gonna do is put 3 whole eggs inside. 1, 2, there, 3, and then we're gonna do it again until now watch, it doesn't process anymore. It's actually ready. This is the simple part. Watch this. Just take some white parchment paper, put in your pan. As simple as this. Take this off, take out the knife, and then there you go. Then just flip everything over with your hand. Put it in the middle. There you go. We're gonna push it on the sides here. This is what they don't want you to know. It's so easy to make. You can make this at home in like 5 minutes. You see? Just push it well here, make sure it's even so it's still presentable. Well, I use the apricots, but you can use dates, you can use plums. I like dates because they're very sweet as well. So there you go. So what we're gonna do here, watch this, nut bars, we're gonna go in the oven. Top shelf, 350, 17 minutes. We'll be back after that. I'll show you what to do with them. And we're back. So obviously the bars are done. Now you see it's just a big chunk that doesn't look very good, but don't get fooled by it. We're gonna trim it off and make it nice, right? So you want it nice. Me, I don't care because I just eat them. I use a pizza cutter, but you can use that. You can use a knife, it doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna trim the edges here, the dry parts. There you go. Trim a little bit here, trim there. There you go. I eat all of this, so don't worry about it. So there you go. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna chop our bars in the middle, like this, and then we're just gonna make about 2 inches. There you go, 2 inches, another 2 inches. There you go. Fair enough, watch this. They're still a bit warm, that's why they're breaking right now. There you go. Sorry, it's a bit noisy because customers in my restaurant, they're a bit loud, but that's okay. So there you go. You got a protein bar you made yourself. It's only nuts. The sugar is all about the fruit inside, so there's fiber, so it's okay. And yeah, that's it, man. So you see I'm gonna eat the trims and juicy, tender. That's delicious. Anyway, that's that. Now some of you are gonna say, well, if I'm allergic to nuts, what do I do? I said, well, you're watching the wrong goddamn video. You should be watching an omelet video, how to make an omelet. So anyway, that's that. You can wrap these. They stay fresh for 5 days. You can put them in the freezer for a year. It doesn't matter. Anyway, that was it. So, catch you next time. I'm gonna finish eating this pie.